Master the art of organizing and planning with English phrasal verbs. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating world of English phrasal verbs. These small, seemingly unassuming phrases can pack a powerful punch in daily conversation. In particular, we'll focus on phrasal verbs related to organizing and planning. So, let's get started. Phrasal verbs are unique to English and consist of a verb and one or more particles, a preposition or an adverb. They often take on entirely different meanings than the original verb. When it comes to organizing and planning, there are several phrasal verbs that you can use to communicate more effectively. When you're trying to bring order to a situation, you might need to use phrases like sort out, set up, and line up. Let's break these down. Sort out, to solve a problem or to organize something. Example, I need to sort out my plans for the weekend. Set up, to arrange or organize something so it's ready to be used. Example, I'll set up the meeting for next week. Line up, to arrange things or people in a straight row. Or, figuratively, to organize events or tasks. Example, let's line up the projects for next month. Planning is an integral part of life, and these phrasal verbs can make your discussions more natural and fluent. Phrases like plan out, lay out, and map out are commonly used. Plan out, to think about and decide on a detailed plan. Example, I like to plan out my day the night before. Lay out, to explain something clearly and carefully. This can be used when discussing plans. Example, let's lay out our strategy for the next marketing campaign. Map out, to plan something in detail. This phrase often implies a longer or more complex plan. Example, she's mapped out her career for the next 10 years. And that's a wrap. Remember, mastering phrasal verbs takes practice, but they're invaluable for expressing ideas in English, especially when it comes to organizing and planning. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.